Hey, what is up, guys? Alex here from Tech Inspector coming to you with an unboxing of my new ITEL phone. Look at this. I didn't pay 1 peso for this one. Oh no, the drama. This is the ITEL 2165. This is a super basic phone. It's officially priced at 399 Philippine pesos on Shopee, so it's super affordable. As you can see, it's a basic phone. Now, the reason why I bought this is because my father put the Nokia 210 in his pants pocket and sent it to the laundry, and now the Nokia 210 is dead. You know what? It's almost good riddance because the Nokia 210 had scratches when we unboxed it.
Flashback.
Oh, is it scratched up? Bro, we got scratches on our phone already. Look. I'll try. I know a towel or whatever, it's not the way you're supposed to clean a phone. But look at that. Oh, God. It's adding a towel. A towel can add scratches to a Nokia phone. Look at the amount of scratches I'm able to put into this thing. It was scratched when it came out of the box.
End of flashback.
But now we're unboxing the ITEL 2165 for 400 pesos. I actually paid 350 Philippine pesos because I got a voucher discount. Now the specs on this thing, it's got a 1.77 inch display, QQVGA, according to ITEL. This I can't confirm. QQVGA display, 4 megabytes of RAM and 4 megabytes of ROM with 1000 milliampere battery, and it's got a 2G SIM. It's dual SIM. And then there's some error here on their product listing. It says 0.08 megapixel camera. There ain't no camera in this thing. Uh-oh, ITEL scam 2.0. You know, piso deals drama. And then it has wireless FM radio, which I actually checked and it does work. So 400 pesos, what does it get you? Does it scratch? You know, does it have any scratches while unboxing like the Nokia one? I'm still bitter about the Nokia one. Let's go unbox this thing and see for ourselves. Here. And this is the phone itself. So, question is, if I wipe it on my shirt, will it have any scratches? Wow! Look at that, Nokia. Something you are absolutely incapable of doing is having a decent screen that doesn't scratch when you use a cloth to clean it. It actually looks kind of cool, kind of decent. The bezels are a little big, though. The buttons, I like the buttons. There's an ITEL logo right there. The back here. Now, one thing I noticed is this back cover, very easy to remove. Like, you probably could do it with one finger like this. That's a little unfortunate. You got a micro SD card slot here, SIM slot. One is a mini SIM, and one looks like a nano SIM, which is kind of interesting. So we have a flashlight here, and there is a button in the middle. Oh, says there's a flashlight button. Yeah, there you go. So you press and hold the button, turns on the flashlight. Okay, so as you can see, that backlight on the keypad is actually not bad. Let's try the torch. Oh, there it is. Hey, not bad. Keypad is blue. Oh, the radio started. Turning off the flashlight. Oh, there it is. So my complaint about non-detachable cable chargers is when the cable breaks, you can't use this thing anymore unless you cut the cable and do some engineering with this. When the cable breaks, you can't replace the cable. The entire thing has to go in the trash can. So we got contacts, messages, your typical smartphone, basic phone type things. This display is not terrible. Look at that viewing angle. Oh, okay, it's vertical. The vertical viewing angles are going crazy right there.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 6.
Okay, so Maybe when I'm outside, it'll pick up more radio stations, and it didn't need. I didn't need a headphone at all. I found two stations while indoors. I don't know, but FM works kind of.
Hello. Test mic 123. Hello, test mic 123. This is a call coming from the ITEL 2165. I'm using obviously the internal microphone of the ITEL 2165. What is the audio like? What do you think? Is it good quality?
Have you eaten dinner yet? Can you please pay your debt? The speaker is pretty good. It can be like distorted because of the volume, but it's very loud in my ear at least. All right, guys, that's about it for unboxing and first impressions of the ITEL 2165. What do you think? 400 Philippine pesos. That's not a bad price. You get, FM radio, no games or anything. So maybe, you look at other people, talk to other people at the same. You don't play games, you don't do social media with this thing. But for 400 pesos, not bad for a little burner phone, like a cheap phone. It's got backlit buttons and whatnot. I think the buttons are actually pretty nice sounding too. But yeah, 400 Philippine pesos. What do you think? Click the link in the description below if you want to buy one. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.